Now what we are going to do is to build a home page for our website. So it takes a request and it renders a folder that is page/home.html. Let's make it very simple. So this one, it should return and request, obviously. Here I need to add, let's make it very simple, h1 welcome to my tennis club. Close h1 and close center. So we have the template, we have the view. Now we save it and we go back here. Okay, the problem is because here we didn't specify yet a path for the home page. So it will be an empty URL, views dot home, comma name equal home. Okay, fine. We have here request, render request. Okay, perfect. And we need to add a comma. Okay, refresh, and that's it. Okay. Imagine now that in the page members, so let's refresh the members page, in the page members, and also in any page of any members details, I need to add a link to the home page. So what you are going to do is to open this file and this file as well, and to add here a hyperlink, maybe at the beginning, at the bottom of the file, it's fine. But the idea is now, since here you just have two web pages, it's totally fine to add this hyperlink twice. But imagine that you have hundreds of web pages. In this case, this won't be efficient. So welcome to the base templates. Base templates are templates that can be extended by other templates. In other words, it's like other templates can inherit the content of a template. So let's explain how to do that. So what I'm going to do first is to create a base template. So this template is going to be on the level templates and not on the level pages. So this is base.html. So it's not on the same level. Okay. And let's create this base HTML template, HTML body, and we close it. Okay. As we said, Django uses Jinja, and in Jinja we have some keywords that we can use them in order to specify contents, and by specifying that, by specifying these commands or these keywords in the base.html and then inheriting or extending this base.html in other templates, we will get the result that anything that is inside the base.html is going to be shown in other templates. Let's see what we can do here. Here, what I will do first is to create a title and to open a space for this title, and I will use the command block title and block. So now anything written here is going to be shown in other templates. So not anything written here in the base.html, but anything written here in other templates. I'm going to explain in a bit. So this is my tennis club. Let's, for simplicity, call it MTS dash. Okay, and here in addition I will say block content, so it's a block for contents, and end block. Okay, content. In addition, that before the block content we have a netref that takes us to the home page. So we have here URL home, and we close it. Okay, so just before continuing, make sure that everything is fine, and here the name is okay. Perfect. So maybe until now you are not understanding anything. Now when you will see the results, you will understand what's going on. So here from the base.html, you are not able to understand a lot of details, but let's extend it in other templates to see the effects of extending base.html in other templates. To extend it, what we will do is to say extends, sorry, we need to use extends, and the name of the file. Okay, so in this case here, now we are extending our base.html. An additional step here is to show the content that we need to use inside this template. So in other words, now here I have block title, all members, and block. So in the base.html, we have here a title, MTS dash, and block title and block. I said that everything that is here is going to be shown automatically in other web pages. So now here we have, sorry, this is block title. We have block title and the block, and we have the word all members. So I think you now know what will happen. What will happen is that we will see on the title place on the browser MTS dash the word all members. Okay, still have to show the contents. So this is the content of our web page. So let's start from here and block content and block. So now, even if you don't have body, since here you called block content and end block in a body, so this web page will inherit just the general structure and format of base.html. And we will see later how this will appear automatically in this web page. But first, before running everything, let's do everything and then we come back to check the details. So now here, obviously, there is no need anymore to use this thing. Let's extend the base.html and to use a block title with a space here, member details, and the block. Same for the data here. So this is block content, and after finishing the contents, so we have and the block. As I said before, that this is totally fine, but just for structuring everything and make everything well organized, I will just click one single tab button. Save, just this is just for organizing everything. Save, and now let's see the results. So check if everything is fine, and since we already ran the server, let's start from here. And here we go. First thing we notice, we have on the top MTS dash all members, and we have the automatic button that takes us to the home page. And also here, whenever we go, we have the home button and MTS dash member details. For sure, here you can show, for example, member details of, let's copy it, or instead of saying member details, let's say directly details of. So now refresh, details of Ilaria, details of Ali, details of Giorgio.